I was actually able to make $725. Okay, so I'm logged into the account that I receive payments in, and as you can see at the top, Garrett Berry, this is my account, and you can see right here in one day, okay, the 10th, I was actually able to make $725 just plugged into this online business opportunity, okay? So let me ask you a question, what would your life look like if you could consistently make this kind of money on a day-to-day basis? How would your life change? Well, you too can actually do this and transform your entire life. So I just wanted to share with you some proof of the type of income I've been making, and it's still astonishing because just 3 years ago or so, I was working as a waiter, working long hours. I had just dropped out of college, bills were piling up, but I made a decision when I saw an opportunity in front of me to get started and take action. And because of following this simple blueprint, in less than 30 days, I was able to quit my freaking job, go full-time from home, and do the things I love to do with the people I love doing it with. One of those being traveling across the entire world. And this online business opportunity makes you 100% commission. So I've still been able to make these commissions as I've been traveling, as I've been hanging out with friends and family. It's a global opportunity. So anyone, no matter where they are located in the world, can actually join this and start doing this. There's just 4 requirements though you need to have in place in order to get started today with this. Number 1 is you need a PayPal account, okay? If you don't have one, you can easily create one, but this is how you're gonna be collecting the commissions that you're gonna be making following the blueprint. Number 2 is you need a Wi-Fi or internet connection, okay? Number 3 is you need a computer or smartphone. And number 4, last but not least, the most important, you need to be hungry and motivated to succeed with this. It's very simple, but it does require a little effort. And if you can follow simple step-by-step instructions, you definitely can do this. I'm just an average person. I just followed simple steps, and now I've been able to take care of my family more than I could ever imagine. Okay, so if that's you, if you qualify, then what I invite you to do is actually partner with our team today and get started. As soon as you do, I want you to message me on Facebook so I can reach out personally and give you the next steps for rapid success with this. I do invite you and I do recommend that you join at the highest level and position yourself properly, because if you join at the highest level, you'll be able to earn at all the different levels and earn as much money as possible. Also, when you join at the highest level today, you're going to be able to get access to my full 500 a day blueprint on exactly what I do day to day in about an hour or so to generate consistent daily commission. So if you're ready to join the team, my friend, I invite you to head to growwithgarrett.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, go to the link below in the description, or there may be a button below. Click that and get started. And I will personally work with you, my friend, and share with you what I'm doing to succeed. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on the top. Take care.